Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about examples in the help system. Now I would like to show about detailed information in the help system. So in the previous video, we issued a command like this to get the examples for get service commandlet. So it showed us all the examples available for that get service commandlet. Now let's go ahead and issue detailed as the parameter for the get help command and see what all information it actually presents to us. So more than example, it has showed us other information also. If you can search through the help document, there are additional columns included now. It is like these are default columns: name, synopsis, syntax, description, and examples. We saw it in examples commandlet. Examples also included in the detailed help. Besides the regular information, and what is the additional information that is being presented? Parameters is the additional information now. So along with the commandlet synopsis, description, and different syntaxes, they have given us parameter detailed information now. So get service commandlet has different parameters that it can accept while executing the command. So before executing this particular command, if we understand what is the purpose of a specific parameter, so we can even better work with the command, right? So the help for the parameters will explain you what the parameter actually does when you execute along with the commandlet. So in the first help video, we discussed about parameter sets, different combination of parameters. And in this video, they have given us some information about each parameter, so we can understand what does the parameter actually used for and what kind of data it can take. Um, is it a mandatory parameter or is it a optional parameter? Kind of information also will be available. Hopefully that information is available in the full information command line. But as of now, uh, what a parameter is useful for in a specific commandlet and what kind of data it can accept will be displayed when we issue detailed information about that commandlet. So if you see, hyphen computer name is the parameter which actually accepts data in the format of string and also accepts arrays. Arrays is a collection of strings. So when you work with get service commandlet, you can issue that command against your local computer, or also you can retrieve the services information from remote computer, which means you can get the information from multiple computers also using this commandlet. So if you do so, you need to provide multiple computer names for the hyphen computer name parameter as input. If you want to provide multiple computer names, which is again a collection of strings, so this particular parameter accepts collection of strings, nothing but an array. So gets the services running on the specified computers. The default is local computer. So as it is accepting array of strings, we can give the commandlet multiple computer names, and it can search through all the computers in your network, gets the services information out of them. So in the examples they have mentioned how to work with multiple computers also. So this is how you can actually get the information from multiple computers. Get service hyphen name of the service is WinRM, and computer name parameter is accepting 3 strings now. instead of one string. So localhost is our computer, server 1 is the remote computer, server 2 is also remote computer. And this is additional information. I just forget about it as of now. When we work with actual scripts, I'll explain how, what is format table and how to work with that. So the result is simple command get service is searching through a specific service on multiple computers. Here, computer name parameter is accepting multiple strings, an array of strings. So that is why they have mentioned input type for the computer name parameter as string array. So whatever parameter in this commandlet which has string array as the input, which means you can provide a string, a single string or multiple strings as input for that particular parameter name. The same way dependent services, it has a description indicates that this commandlet gets only services depend upon specified service. So we sometimes see uh, there will be some services which depends on other services. Like if you restart the workstation or TCP/IP service, it will also restart the dependent services in your computer because that service has a dependency on other services. So such kind of services will be returned when you actually use the dependent services parameter. It's just a switch parameter. It doesn't accept any input. You just need to mention the parameter name. There is no input required for this. Display name also accepts an array. Exclude also accepts an array. If you want to exclude a service from the results or multiple services from the results, I want to exclude services which are starting with S as the letter. So it accepts string array, right? So you can specify multiple service names also, or you can use such strings. Include input object. Specify service controller objects representing the services to be retrieved. Enter a variable that contains these objects or type a command or expression that gets the objects. So input object and input type I'll discuss about in the full help system in the next video. And name required services, and this is um, generic for all the commandlets. All the commandlets will be having common parameters, which are verbose, debug, error action, error variable, warning action, warning variable, out buffer, pipeline variable, and out variable. These are all generic parameters for each and every commandlet inside your PowerShell. So if we issue help for in detailed format, we'll see basic information about the commandlet and we'll see examples, and at the end we'll also see information about the parameters. I hope this video is uh, helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. In the next video, I'm going to discuss about full information in the help system. Thank you so much.